Busy yarn.
I was right about you. Didn't make you become the real man. Sorry.
Bagoong. Bagoong ni Margie. Alam.
Leave it open or closed? Open probably is only daddy's money.
Dad. Buhay na nga mo ba? Bambaw. Grabe ka man. Di man ako mahal?
1460.
Dad.
I'm kidding. I don't really know. You wouldn't have been safe.
Kinain mo. Wala. Baw. Grabe ka naman. Hindi naman ako kumain ng...
Mag-toothbrush ka doon.
Ha?
Mag-toothbrush ka doon ng buo ng...
Ha?
Ganun mo nga bubang.
Grabe ka naman sa
May
akin.
bagong... May bagong na ano, patay.
Di man ako man. Power.
Punong hininga mo.
Ha?
Bawa na niya yan.
Ha?
The trust fund engineer? What's that like? I know what you're talking about. Sure you do. You going slow, playing it safe. Not lifting too much at once. Ain't stop getting wrong. Well, you're wrong. And we're also closed, so take off. Victor Sullivan. You can call me Sully. Thank you. I won't. Thank you. I got a job.
Pangit mo ka, Bandi?